Richards Wilcox, building on tradition.
×2 speed files. Make the most of space.
Zigzag conveyors, often copied, never duplicated.
Aurora Quick Lock shelving, synonymous with quality.
Lock joint hardware, built to last.
Aurora Mobile, store more in less space.
Overway, power, and free conveyors, keeping you competitive, productive.
Wood Tech, the warmth of wood, the strength of steel. Different products, powerful brands. What do they have in common? Each is manufactured by Richards Wilcox, a company with a long tradition of quality and excellence. An American company serving the needs in many markets.
It's 1880. The Industrial Revolution fuels the manufacture of new products to make home life and work easier. Wilcox Manufacturing, a new business in Aurora, Illinois, specializes in door track, hangers, sharpening stones, and sundry items in the largest plant of its kind in the country.
Soon to follow in 1903 is the Richards Manufacturing Company, producing many of the same door hardware and household items just blocks away from Wilcox. In 1910, the companies merge to form Richards Wilcox and decide to occupy the original Wilcox plant. With the advent of Henry Ford's assembly lines, thousands of common folks can afford Model Ts. The nation's need for garages grows. Richards Wilcox garage door hardware is more popular than ever, including sales of the Auto Pit turntable. Lacking a reverse gear, early automobiles are driven onto a garage turntable to reverse direction for the morning commute.
The Roaring '20s mark a prosperous time for Richards Wilcox, which now has 30 branch offices. Even gangster Al Capone sports a Richards Wilcox luggage carrier on his Duesenberg. New products meet the demand for modern convenience. In addition to the luggage carrier, the company introduces electrically operated hardware for garage doors and elevators. Richards Wilcox track and hangers are used in the first manual conveying systems for lifting loads and moving goods. Before long, the nation's rapid industrialization creates a need for material handling. Richards Wilcox introduces the overweight conveyor line in 1929.
By 1938, Richards Wilcox is a major force in overhead conveyors and launches Zigzag, the first enclosed track conveyor. This conveyor product sets a new standard for manufacturing efficiency, safety, and cleanliness.
It's the fabulous 50s. The need for power is not limited to lawnmowers and fast cars. Material handling is becoming more sophisticated, and Richards Wilcox debuts its line of twin-track power and free conveyors in 1953. This side-by-side conveyor with automatic dispatch speeds production, increases efficiency, and handles heavier loads.
In 1952, Richards Wilcox purchases Aurora Steel Products, a manufacturer of metal lockers, shelving, and cabinets. Now the company has 3 distinct product lines: hardware, overhead conveyors, and filing and storage products, serving industrial and commercial markets. Aurora Steel invents and patents Aurora Quick Lock in 1961, a revolutionary design in shelving, and the world of office products is never the same. Say goodbye to the nuts, bolts, and sway braces of old-fashioned shelving. Say hello to Quick Lock and 5-minute assembly. Quick Lock takes the market by storm and is an instant success.
Meanwhile, conveyor and hardware products keep pace with post-war demand from new manufacturers who flood the market with goods for baby boomers and their busy parents.
The next decades, the 70s and 80s, see further growth for Richards Wilcox on both industrial and commercial fronts. Aurora Steel adds library shelving, X-ray shelving, and storage for the latest mainframe computer tapes. Aurora puts its shelving to the test in a memorable ad campaign with Chicago Bears center 255-pound Dan Neal. Does Quick Lock bend, twist, or deform under this tremendous load? Of course not.
Richards Wilcox Conveyor introduces sophisticated controls and specialty conveyors. Door Hardware expands its presence in the zoo market with stainless steel hinges and components.
Richards Wilcox purchases a revolutionary product, the x2 speed file for filing and storage, and moves production to Aurora in 1990. This acquisition and the introduction of Aurora Mobile and WoodTech bring a full line to the Aurora brand.
The conveyor line develops 3 new systems: paint line inverted monorail, overway and inverted overway power and free conveyors, and computer simulations showing real-time manufacturing analysis. The hardware division pursues alternate markets such as historic renovation, making old hardware designs new once again.
We're back to the present, continuing to build traditions. After decades of corporate ownership, Richards Wilcox is now privately owned and classified as a small business.
Today, Richards Wilcox Conveyors serves industrial markets including paint finishing, progressive assembly, robotic assembly, and material handling. Our overhead conveyors are used in manufacturing, distribution, and warehousing, making companies efficient and more productive. Richards Wilcox door hardware products are found in commercial and agricultural settings, major zoos, and veterinary centers nationwide, including Brookfield Zoo, San Francisco Zoo, Busch Gardens, and the Disney Animal Kingdom. The historic building movement is rediscovering the beauty of our original hardware designs for renovation and new buildings in traditional styles.
Aurora Office Products is now a nationally recognized brand, providing filing and storage products to the contract, commercial, and government markets. Our clients represent a broad spectrum of users, from Hearst Publishing, American Airlines, Northwestern University, the Department of Homeland Security, and the FBI, to name only a few. All 3 product lines are still American-made, manufactured in the original but updated 300,000 square foot building in Aurora, Illinois. Our owners, staff, and factory proudly serve hundreds of Aurora dealers and Richards Wilcox distributors. New products and new traditions thrive, including a commitment to the environment through green product design and manufacturing, and a pursuit of alternative markets for our wonderful products. Richards Wilcox and Aurora Products, building on 125 years of American tradition.